First of all, if you have a SmartTech Sound BRIO engine, if you want to learn how to use it, this is a guide how to use it. So you hit the play button. Make sure it says Smart 2.0 before and turn it on before connecting. You have to make sure the train is on. It's a blue train. You gotta make sure, or maybe it's a red one, possibly. But it says on the engine, it says LMST 2.0 or something. Now it's Smart 2.0 on your Bluetooth. Now hook it up to your Bluetooth, and then you should see paired, or maybe it'll just disconnect automatically. So then you wait at your home menu, and then when the green light flashes, you're connected. So these are the sounds. I'm playing them on my engine right now. So there's 4 sounds. The passenger, the tiny 7 looking train, the steam, and the rocket are your sounds. You can hit this magnifying glass, and you have places to go. You can either scroll or use the arrow buttons, or you can just click on them. Plus you have the game thing, where you have to drive to the game tag. So you keep going. Now you minimize. If you still. Then you go to your controls. The train can move. They have different colors for the lights. And you can also change the sound. Forward, backwards, stop, backwards, and stop. Now this is a tiny 7 train. Forward, obviously, stop. It hits its brakes, backwards. Honks its tiny horn, and obviously the original. Stop and backwards. And that's pretty much what I have to show you. Plus there's these tiny things that you can find on your track. These, plus you can speak into it. And it starts loading. And when it starts loading, it's done, and it takes a while, like a few seconds to get back to the home screen. Well, not to the home, but like the main menu. Like this.
Hello, I'm a train.
So I just speak hello my train. That's pretty much it for the tutorial. If you want more tutorials like this, if you like this video, you can if you like my channel, you can subscribe. And if you want to see more of my videos, hit that bell notification. Comment down below what should I do next.